students. Today's topic is elimination reaction. This is also known as beta elimination reaction. Elimination reactions, dehydrogenation reaction. Eliminations means eliminate होता है. So when alkyl halides are treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide KOH, alcoholic potassium hydroxide KOH, hydrogen halide is eliminated and olefin is formed. Olefin, double bonded carbon atom. This is the olefin. Double bonded carbon atom means double bond unsaturated hydrocarbons. This is alkene. Olefin means alkene are formed. So this is known as elimination reaction. Why this reaction is known as elimination reactions? So we'll take the example CS3 CS2 Br treated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. So this is the alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. This one is alpha and this one is beta carbon. So hydrogen atom from the beta carbon atom and halogen from the alpha carbon atom. I am repeating, hydrogen atom from the beta carbon atom and halogen atom from the alpha carbon atom is eliminated and form olefin. So here it will form double bonded carbon atom CS2 plus HBr plus S2. This is known as beta elimination reaction because hydrogen atom from the beta carbon atom and halogen atom from the alpha carbon atom is eliminated. That's why this reaction is known as beta elimination reaction. Beta elimination reaction. Now we'll see the another example CS3 CHCl CS3. Now alcoholic KOH heat. So this is the alpha and this is beta and this is also beta. Both sides have beta. So hydrogen atom from the beta carbon anyone will discuss later Saitzig rule. So from here hydrogen atom is loaded from the beta carbon atom and halogen atom from alpha carbon atom is eliminated and they are forming olefin CS3 CH double bond CS2 plus HCl plus S2. Sorry, KOH KCl, here is also KCl, not HBr. So they are forming like that compounds KBr, KCl, S2. This is known as elimination reaction. Another example, tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. This is also treated with alcoholic KOH heat. So when they are treated, so they are forming this compound. This compound are formed. So tertiary butyl chloride convert into 2-methyl propene. Then this compound is formed. So this is known as beta elimination reaction because hydrogen atom from the beta carbon atom and halogen atom from the alpha carbon atom is eliminated. That's why this is known as beta elimination reactions. For a given alkyl group, the order of dehydrogenation is RCl, RBr, RI. This is the for a given alkyl group. Now for a given halogen atom, for a given halogen atoms, the order of dehydrogenation, is RCH2X, first primary, RCH R dash secondary, and this is tertiary. This is the primary, secondary, and tertiary. This is the beta elimination reaction. So here we will apply one rule. It is known as Sedzip rule. Sedzip's rule. According to this rule, hydrogen atom eliminated from dead beta carbon atom which possess the least number of hydrogen atom. I am repeating, हाइड्रोजन जो होगा आपके पास एलिमिनेटेड होगा दोज कार्बन एटम जहां पर आपके पास लेस नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम है. Like we'll take the example this one. Sadzip rule, according to this rule, hydrogen atom eliminated from that carbon atom which possesses the least number of hydrogen atom, and this is known as substituent alkyl atoms. So here is CH2, CHBr, then CH3. So here you will apply Sadzip rule. According to Sadzip rule, hydrogen atom eliminated from the beta carbon atom. This is the alpha carbon atom. This is beta carbon atom, and this is also beta carbon atom. So according to rule, hydrogen atom is eliminated from that carbon atom which possesses the least number of hydrogen atom. Just see both the beta carbon atom. Here is one beta carbon. This is also beta carbon. But here is number of hydrogen is 3. But here is 2. So according to rule, hydrogen atom eliminated from that carbon atom which possesses the least number of hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atom eliminated from here, then halide group eliminated here. Then it will form this compound. CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CH3 plus CH3, little bit quantity of this compound also form CH2, CH double bond, CH2. This quantity also form. This is 80% and this is 20%. So according to Sadzip rule, hydrogen atom eliminated from which carbon atom which possess the least number of hydrogen atom. This is known as Sadzip rule. This is another example, and this reaction also takes place in alcoholic KOH. This reaction is applicable only alcoholic KOH. So here is you will get 2 butene. Here you will get 1 butene. So 80% is major product. This is the major product, and this is minor product. Now we will see the another example of tertiary one. CH3, CH, CH3, CH2, CH3, Ca. So alcoholic KOH. Now this is the alpha, this is beta, this is also beta, this is also beta. So according to Sadzip rule, hydrogen eliminated from that carbon atom which possesses the least number of hydrogen atom. Here is 3 hydrogen atom, but here is 2. So hydrogen atom eliminated from here. So it will form CH3, C, CH3, double bond, CH, CH3. Then another product, it is name is 2-methyl butene, the major product. A little good quantity of 1,2-methyl butanone also formed. So this is the example of Sadzip rule. Now this is the topic.